Welcome to today's Photoshop session, where we're building a futuristic hologram-style portrait. Start by selecting your subject and isolating them from the background with a clean mask. Next, duplicate the subject layer twice and reduce the opacity of the top layer to create a subtle echo effect. Add cyan and magenta glows around the edges to mimic holographic light leakage. Now create thin scan lines across the image using a stripe pattern and lower the opacity to blend it. Introduce a digital grid behind your subject and apply a soft blur to push it into the distance. Boost contrast slightly and add color noise for a technological texture. Finally, introduce a gentle flicker effect by creating a few distorted frame copies. Once everything is layered,